for an excellent shade tree for Oklahoma, you might try the bur oak or Quercus macrocarpa. Macrocarpa meaning large fruit, and as you can see by the acorns that it produces, they are large indeed. One of the clear identifications for the bur oak is how hairy the cap is on the acorn. They will get up to 60 feet tall and even wider, providing plenty of shade in your backyard. Now, as all oaks, they provide plenty of nutrients to some of our wildlife, so they're good in that regard, especially the bur oak. Because it's so large, a lot of wildlife will feed on these acorns. But as the saying goes, you can't plant an acorn in the morning and expect to sit in the shade that afternoon. So you might have to wait up to 35 years before you get your first acorns when you plant a bur oak. Bur oaks are drought tolerant, and they can also survive well in heavy soils as well as high pH soils, so they do well in many Oklahoma environments. Now, oaks do have their fair share of diseases and pest problems, but bur oak is considered one to be low maintenance and long-lived.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.